Very good morning, students. Welcome back to second year physics. So the previous class, actually we finished about a parallel plate capacitor principle and working style. In that parallel plate capacitor, there is a formula is C is equal to A epsilon naught by D. You remember here, C is equal to A epsilon naught by D. This is the parallel plate capacitor formula. Now let us coming to the point is. See, here it is actually our discussion now related to what? Effect of dielectric on capacitors. See, when there is a dielectric is introduced, so what will happen? See, in between the parallel plate capacitor, let us, you take one parallel plate capacitor. So this is a system of two conductors. In between the system of two conductors, there will be a so here it is actually when there is a dielectric is introduced completely without any gap. So what will happen? The effect of capacitance. If there is a air will be there, then for air or vacuum, C is equal to A epsilon naught by D. C is equal to A epsilon naught by D is the when there is a dielectrical air is there. We know epsilon naught is it is a medium between the two parallel plate capacitor. I want to tell you now there will be a dielectrical constant is introduced that we can say it is about like this completely without any gap. So what will happen when there is a completely filled? So this you say dielectrical constant, right? That is we can say K. Of course we know there is a definition dielectric or epsilon or relative permittivity epsilon by epsilon naught, this is we know. Now therefore from there epsilon is equal to K into epsilon naught. So when there is a medium is present apart from air or vacuum, therefore that is epsilon is equal to K into epsilon. Therefore C is equal to you say A into K epsilon naught by D. Then C is equal to it is A epsilon naught by D. Then when there is a dielectric is introduced completely without any air gap, then here it is C is equal to K into A epsilon naught by D. So this is you say for air or free space. So C is equal to K into C naught. When dielectric is completely filled without any gap, therefore there will be a capacitance is increases. This is the very important point. When there is a dielectric introduced, therefore capacitance is increases by K times. Capacitance is increases. Whereas in case of a force, what will happen? F is equal to F naught by K, that is decreases. And in case of electrical field intensity, E naught by K, it is also decreases. Whereas in the potential, V is equal to V naught by K. See, for all, it is decreases. In case of force between the two charges, therefore F naught by K, that is it is decreases. When there is electrical field intensity, also decreases, potential also decreases. Whereas in case of a capacitance between the parallel plate capacitor, when there is a dielectric is introduced, therefore that is to be increases by K times, which is the very important related to when dielectric is completely filled with like this. Okay, so that here it is we can say when dielectrical is introduced, so to be like this. Clear? Now coming to the point is, let us will move to there will be a statement we can say like this. So that is about a dielectrical constant. I would like to tell you statement. Here you say K is equal to C by C naught. We can say like this. It is the ratio of capacitance of a dielectric to the capacitance of without any dielectric. We can say dielectrical constant statement, or we can also call epsilon R. And here you remember we know this epsilon R, there will be a units, we can say like this. For in case of when there is a dielectric is introduced, therefore there is a unit of dielectrical constant. So look at I'll tell you. Right? In case of a CGS system, we can say epsilon naught, that is equal to, for this I mean to say CD by A, right? C is nothing but we can say farad, and here d is nothing but a distance between the plates, meter by meter square. So C naught is equal to farad, epsilon naught is equal to farad per meter. It is in case of a SI system, whereas in CGS system it is a meaningless, right? It is a meaningless, which is very very important. Unit of epsilon naught will be like, we can also take like this. Already we know epsilon naught unit also, no problem, but you remember farad per meter also we can also call as the permittivity unit, right? So we can go like this when it is completely filled like this. Now there will be another question is there, when there will be a dielectric is introduced partially. Sir, when partially introduced, what will happen? Let us, we'll see. When there is a, it is a fully introduced, no? Now I am telling about a partially introduced. See, when partially introduced, then dielectrical constant is partially introduced, then what will happen? The effect of dielectrical effect of capacitance. I'll tell you, look at when there is a partially introduced, therefore what happens? Look at, see, let you take a parallel plate capacitor. The distance between the parallel plate capacitor, you say it is about a d, and the area of the parallel plate capacitor is a. Now here there is a partially introduced, the dielectrical constant is introduced partially like this, right? So that the slab of thickness, you say t, this thickness is t, right? And the dielectrical constant is k when it is to be introduced. Therefore the distance between these two will be, what happens? It is actually total will be d, no, and for this thickness is t. Therefore what happens to it is remain, it is air, we can say it is the air, it is, right? For air will be, what happens? It is the distance between the these dielectrical constant to the another plate is d minus t. But we know the effect is asking effect of capacitance when there is a partially introduced. So that here I will tell you like this, we know there will be a, according to the field intensity E naught in air, we can take like this. In air, I am telling about it in air. See, electrical field intensity, that is E naught. Therefore closed integral E dot ds is equal to, we know, q by epsilon naught, right? Or it is E integral ds, therefore q by epsilon naught. Then it is E naught is equal to integral ds is nothing but s, or you say, yeah, you right, integral ds is nothing but s or a of the plates. So we can say it is epsilon naught is equal to q by a epsilon naught, it is when there is a air between the plates, right? And here it is another one is, I'll tell you one more. If there is a some dielectrical constant is introduced, right? For that it is, see, dielectric is introduced apart from air, therefore E is equal to q by a k epsilon naught, because here it is actually we can say like this, everything is same but you take a epsilon here, but we know epsilon is equal to k epsilon naught, no, therefore E is equal to q by a into k epsilon naught. This is will be when there is a dielectric is introduced, q by k a epsilon naught is the when there is a dielectrical slab is introduced between the plates. So now we know two electrical field intensity. Now according to the we know two, you know, when there is a air is there, for that electrical field intensity. When there is a dielectrical slab is there, for that it is E is equal to q by k into a epsilon naught. Let us, there will be a relation between see, it is E and V. So that is electrical field intensity, and relation between V is nothing but a potential. So that for this, here we know about a V is equal to E into D, right? So but here you remember there will be a two distances are there. It is one plate until this is another plate, right? And here you take another one also is there, that is between these two. Actually we have to find a C is equal to actually q by, C is equal to q by V. This we have to get. So here V we should get by using that relation. After knowing V, you substitute here, will get the C. The capacitance will get, right? So that here now I am taking this, between this V is equal to E is nothing but E naught for air, and the distance is between the thickness to this is d minus t. Instead of d you take a d minus t, plus Here it is some dialectrical constant is there, no, further thickness is T is given, so that you say the distance is, it is E into, the distance will be what here, it is actually we can say distance will be, it is we can take as a thickness of this, so that you say T, because this plate to this till end is we can say T, and this end to this end is we can say D minus T. So here V is equal to E naught into, or here you write E naught value. We know E naught is, there will be a Q by A epsilon naught into D minus T plus E is nothing but that medium, the medium present, no? So that Q by K A epsilon naught into T. So V is equal to Q by A epsilon naught into D minus T plus it is T by K. So this is what V is equal to Q by A epsilon naught of D minus T plus T by K. So now electrical field and potential we know, electrical potential we know. Now this electrical potential you substitute in the capacitance, C is equal to Q by V. Here you write now, therefore C is equal to, it is Q by V, no. Now V we know, C is equal to Q by V will be Q by A epsilon naught into, it is D minus T plus T by K. So Q cancel, so that C is equal to A epsilon naught by, it is will be T minus T plus D by K. Now C is equal to A epsilon naught by D minus, here a T is there, no, you take a T common, 1 minus 1 by K. So this is the, when there is a partially introduced. So the thing is, when there is a partially dielectrical constant is introduced, therefore the effect of capacitance C is equal to A epsilon naught by D minus T into 1 minus 1 by K. So this is will be what here, when there is a partially introduced. When fully introduced, therefore we can say C is equal to Kc naught, it is increases. When there is a partially introduced, therefore the capacitance will be C is equal to A epsilon naught by D minus T into 1 minus 1 by K. It is the effect of dialectrical constant. Once again look at here, actually parallel plate capacitor, the distance between the parallel plate capacitor is D and the area of a plate is A, and here there is a dielectrical constant is K is introduced, that is the thickness of dielectrical constant is T, which is introduced partially between the two plates. Therefore the thickness is T, no, then therefore there will be a remain gap will be D minus T, because total distance between the two plates is D, this thickness is T is given, therefore the distance between the remain part will be D minus T, D minus T. And coming to the point is, it is a air filled, no, then we have to get a C, C is equal to Q by V, and Q is nothing but a bit charge on the plates, but we don't know potential, that's what we should find a V. For that purpose, in air, first of all you get a E naught, that is according to Gauss law, closed integral E dot ds is equal to Q by epsilon naught. Here E integral ds is equal to Q by epsilon naught, but integral ds is nothing but a S, or you say area of the plates. So here you take it, it is the area will be like this. So here E naught is equal to Q by A epsilon naught. E naught is equal to Q by A epsilon naught. Now when there is a dielectric is introduced, because there is a dielectrical slab of thickness is T is introduced, no, so that E is equal to Q by A epsilon. So epsilon value we know K epsilon naught, no, so that here you replace this, E is equal to Q by A K epsilon naught. Now E is equal to, this is the final value. There is a relation between E and V, that will be what? V is equal to E into D. Use that relation. Here E naught between the air and the distance between these is D minus T, and here E is nothing but some dielectric is introduced, further thickness is T. Therefore Q by A epsilon naught D minus T plus Q by K epsilon naught into T. In this you look at Q by A epsilon naught, Q by A epsilon naught is, you take a common, D minus T plus T by K. C is equal to Q by V. Therefore C is equal to V, you replace this value, Q by A epsilon naught D minus T plus T by K. Q cancel, therefore C is equal to A epsilon naught by D minus T plus T by K. Then C is equal to A epsilon naught D minus, you take a T common, minus T common, so that's what we are getting here, minus, that is minus 1 by K. Like this is an expression related to what? When there is a dielectric is introduced partially, therefore there will be a effect on the capacitance will be like this. Clear? So this is what it is, like we can say on this effect of dielectrics. Well, see, there will be some problems. We look at look into the problems. If there is a problems, we'll do it. Yeah. Right. So problem number, page number 147, question number 5.5. Question number 5.5. Open your materials. Right. Coming to the problem number, page number 147, question number 5.5. Question number 5.5. Problem number 147. Page number, sorry. A parallel plate capacitor with air between the plates as a capacitance. When there is a air, so C naught is equal to, it is given as 8 PF. PF in the sense is pico. So 1 PF is equal is given as 10 power minus 12 farad. Then C naught is equal to 8 into 10 power minus 12, you write as farad. Air is, what will be the capacitance if the distance between the capacitance of the distance between the plates is reduced by half. So for this you take D1 is equal to D. Now the distance is reduced to be half. Therefore, space between them is filled with a substance of dielectrical constant is equal to given K is given as 6. So is asking what now? Find a effect of dielectrical constant, right? So that let us, there is a partial introduced, so that C is equal to, it is A epsilon naught by I mean to say K into A epsilon naught by D, because the dielectric is introduced, no? So for this dielectric introduced, the K value is given, D value is given. So C is equal to 6 into A epsilon naught by D value D by 2 you take. So that it is 2 into 6 into A epsilon naught by D. Therefore what happens? 2 into 6 is nothing but 12. So 12 into A epsilon naught by D. So A epsilon naught is nothing but we can say it is C naught is equal to A epsilon naught by D, because it is a air filled, air is introduced. Air will be there, for that it is given as to be 8, PF is given. So C is equal to 12 into 8. So it is 8 16 196 PF. This is will be when there is a dielectric is introduced. Therefore capacitance is increases. Look at, for this air will be 8 PF. When there is a some medium is introduced, there will be dielectrical constant is introduced. Therefore the capacitance is increases by like this 96. Nothing but it is increases by times C. K times it is. That's what. So K value depends on the K value. It is also capacitance is to be increases. So this is the one question on the basis of dielectric is introduced. Right? Let us. Coming to the point is next problem, the same page number, that is the next page number 148. 148 page number, question number 5.8. Question number, page number will be 5.8, page number will be 148. So read question carefully. So what is given, right? Yeah, look into the question. In a parallel plate capacitor with air between the plates, each plate has the area. When there is a air is there, area of the plates is given 6 into 10 power minus 3 meter square, and the distance between the plates is given as 3 mm, that is 3 into 10 power minus say millimeters is given, no? You convert into meters, therefore it is 10 power minus 3. And calculate the capacitance of capacitor. Is asking calculate the capacitance of a capacitor, first one. Then after is asking if the capacitor is connected to 100V supply, what is the charge on each plate capacitor? Is asking when it is connected to 100 volt, so is asking charge on the each plate. Of course, the charge on the each plate is nothing but a C is equal to Q by V, then Q is equal to CVA. So V is there, but we don't know C. That C we should get by using the formula, that is about a C is equal to A epsilon naught by D, right? So we have A value as well as D value, and epsilon naught also we know, that is about a epsilon naught is equal to 8.85 into 10 power minus 12. It is Newton Coulomb square, Newton per meter square, Newton per meter square. So this is the epsilon naught value, and here A value is there, D value also is there. Substitute this all value. A is 6 into 10 power minus 3 into 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 by D is nothing but a 3 into 10 power minus 3. So that here better you cancel this 3 1 3 2s. C is equal to 8 5 10 and 8 2 is 16 17 1 8 2 is 16 and 17 it is, right? So that it is a 17 point like this. It is a farad. This is about a C value, right? Or you want to say in terms of like C is equal to 1.77 into 10 power minus 11 farad. Of course, both the answers are correct. Now he is asking charge on the each plate of capacitor, no? So Q is equal to C into V. Q is equal to C into V. C value is there and V is there. Then you multiply this charge on the each capacitor plate. Q is equal to C into V. C will be 1.77 into 10 power minus 11. V will be 100. So Q is equal to 1.7 into 10 power. It is 2 zeros are cancelled. Like we can say it is coulombs. Okay, the charge on each plate of capacitor is 1.77 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb. So like this is the problem on the basis of capacitor's plates, right? So you go through this. Therefore, this is the question on the basis of when dielectrical constant is introduced. Okay. Is it okay? So this is what it is. It is based on the related to the effect of dielectrical constant. So again we have other problem also, that is a page number, same page number 5.9 question number. Suppose you want to do it, otherwise I'll tell you in the next class. That is if you try, otherwise I'll tell you. Okay, this is the today's class and we'll see in the next class. Thank you very much.